Good day, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwala. You see, I've written n number of articles for whatever is happening in the globe. All my predictions, whether it is pertaining to stock market, whether it is pertaining to brawl between the nations, or whether it is pertaining to catastrophes of magnitude. I had mentioned that there will be a global catastrophe around after 29th and before 6th of April 2025, and thereafter also there could be untoward happenings, but not of that intensity. The intensity of the happenings will be very high till 6th of April 2025. Now, let me elaborate what I had written in my article. 1 minute. I've written an article today, Boom or Bust, 2025's most dangerous financial months revealed. So here I am going to talk about all this from 1st of April to 28th November 2025, and pinpointing 3 months, April, May and June and July also, but after June I am not giving the dates. That I will give the dates in my video when we approach July. So, recession fears. According to astrological analysis, tariff-related volatility could trigger sharp market movements, particularly against the backdrop of the economic slowdown. I previously forecasted for mid 2025, if governments introduce new trade restrictions around 2nd April, we could witness panic selling, sector specific downturns, and a shift towards safe haven assets. We have already seen what is happening to gold and silver. Based on my previous predictions and astrological insights, here are key dates for April, May and June and July, making periods of economic instability, stock market turbulence and potential natural events. All the dates are related to brawl between the nations, adverse condition in the stock markets, and a natural catastrophe of magnitude. I had mentioned in my previous video that we could see an earthquake of 9.0 Richter scale, and only today Japan has witnessed, and I have specifically written for Japan. So, my prediction, because I am using all these secretive tools of astrology, unlike other astrologers who copy paste and have no knowledge of mundane astrology. Now, April 1st, 2025, Mars enters Cancer, igniting high volatility, aggressive trading, and potential geopolitical tensions. April 2nd, 3rd, tariff related instability begins as per my forecast, causing sharp fluctuations, uncertainty in the global trade policies. 5th to 6th, all planets align in a bearish Namamsha, with Mercury and Venus in close conjunction, increasing trade-related miscommunication, financial miscalculation, and investors' panic, possibly leading to a market crash. All these predictions are based on disclaimer. Please, I've written a disclaimer at the end of the article and also in the description box. April 5th to 18th, Rahu affliction span for 14 days, intensifying stock market fluctuations, heightened volatility, and unpredictable movements. We have seen the unpredictable movements in March when Rahu was afflicted for 27 days from 1st March to 27th March, and thereafter we had an earthquake. 14th April, Sun moves into Aries, a major financial sign, raising inflationary concerns and influencing monetary policies. May, economic uncertainty deepens. May 2nd, Mercury turns direct. Markets react to April's instability, showing either recovery or further turmoil. 5th to 7th May, speculative bubbles may form, triggering high risk market movements. 5th to 15th, Rahu remains afflicted for 10 days, driving extreme volatility and market unpredictability. May 14th, Jupiter enters in Gemini in accelerated motion, impacting real estate, gold, financial markets. June 1st to 3, Mars Plateau square, risk of geopolitical conflicts, energy crisis, stock market sell-offs. 7th to 28th, 7th June to 28th July, Mars Saturn form a Shadashtak Yoga 6-8 axis, creating prolonged market turbulence and a bearish trend. 9th 10th to June, new moon Gemini, sudden market shifts and political potential financial policy changes. 18th June to 20th June, technical and AI sectors could experience volatility due to significant planetary alignments. June 27th to 30th, heightened earthquake or volcanic activity risk due to planetary stress. July, economic crisis. Now, the second part of the year is very dangerous as far as the stock and financial markets is concerned due to the, as per the Bhishapal Bhaskar and the Durbhiksha. And I have already explained 3rd to 5th, Mars activates the eclipse point of the March solar eclipse, causing banking instability, liquidity concerns, and possible bank collapses or financial restructuring. 9th July, new moon in Cancer, intensified real estate downturn and financial instability. 13th June, from 13th July to 28th November is the most prone time when the stock markets will take a big hit. I don't want to say what Nifty can steep down to what level, but it will be such a drop that you could not imagine. It could be anything below 18,000, around 15,000. And you see, there are no yardstick to tell you what will be the level, but the type of planetary positions what are going on, it can take it to any level, but definitely below 18,000. July 18 to 22nd, peak market panic and severe financial instability. July 22nd, Mars Ketu degree conjunction forms a parallel to astrological conditions present during the World War I, signaling global conflict risk or financial collapse. July 28th to 30th, Mars Uranus conjunction in Taurus. Expect extreme stock market volatilities, cyber attacks, a major geopolitical escalations. June 30th to 22nd July, critical planetary Veda in the Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra, making one the most crucial financial periods of the year. What it means? Investors should prepare for extreme volatility. Diversification is key. Real estate and gold markets could see major shifts. Cryptocurrency and digital assets may experience sudden swings. Watch for government's intervention in the financial systems. Stay updated for my astrological insights. For personalized financial astrology reading, book a session now. So, this is all, friends. I just wanted to share. Thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day. Good luck. Bye bye.